Hey guys! So this year I ended up making all of my family members homemade Christmas gifts, and I just have to say that watching everybody open them on Christmas Day was like the best experience ever. So I recorded all of it and I want to share with you guys how that went. So bye for now.
Hello, kitty.
Hello, kitty.
Oh, wow.
That is awesome.
That's
Thanks,
great.
Dad. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you, Kate.
You're welcome,
Darcy
Dad.
got big old eyes.
Perfect.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Look at that.
That is
It's
adorable.
Snoopy and Jax.
Jaxie, it's you.
Jax.
Oh my gosh.
Buddy.
That is so cute.
You and Snoopy. That
He
is
said, what's this paper
awesome.
doing in my face?
Thank you.
That is awesome.
That'll be hung up by the end of the day. You will find a place to
Framed by the end of the month.
Well, I got a frame. I gotta get a frame for this.
And Jax is eating the paper.
No, nothing not better than I got.
You said you liked my butterflies, so I painted you a butterfly.
Oh, that's
I like
so
the
pretty.
colors.
Hey, and it goes with the stopper I got you.
It does.
I got her a wine stopper that has a.
Nice. And I like
Why
the
are you
little
like this?
stars.
Thank you.
I do.
That was pretty.
That's gorgeous.
If ever there was a song.
It's 6
Yeah.
months.
Aw, yes, it's Callie.
Oh,
It's
look at
Callie.
her.
Oh,
baby.
Yeah.
I
Thank
was wondering
you.
how
You're
it's gonna turn
welcome.
out. But
She didn't tape all sides, so you can't just slide it out.
hell yeah. Bigfoot.
You know,
It goes perfectly with the Mothman one you got.
I was gonna say, my
I'm-
guess was gonna be
look,
Mothman.
I'm just collecting the entire cryptozoology line.
Those are handmade coasters.
Those are handmade coasters. I was gonna say, these are handmade
Awesome.
coasters.
They're lemons.
Oh.
Did you show them what we got? She bought me lemon stuffed
Here, I got
ants.
Lemon.
So extra lemons. Got it, buddy? Huh?
Now, see, lemon, just like the coasters.
And
Snoopy coasters.
and woodball. Did he fall off?
Is he okay?
It's Baby Perry the platypus.
Oh yeah.
And it looks very much like how Baby Perry looked in the show. You did a good job. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, that's just a platypus.
Ah. And then I got a Steelers one.
There you go.
And another football one as well. This is great because I can actually use a couple more coasters. So thank
Sweet.
you.
Awesome.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, just skulls.
Coffin in a
Cool.
skull.
Excellent.
I love it.